Okay, we're going to start creating the first machine for the lab. Let me open the VMware workstation. Okay, in VMware workstation, I'm going to create a new folder for creating all these virtual machines we're going to create. So under my computer, create a new folder, going to be named as AD lab. Let's put version 1.0 because I'm going to modify this lab in the future. So let's get created the first machine for the lab. So new virtual machine. Next, next. Going to tell will install operating system later. Next. So this one going to be Windows 2022 server machine. So Windows Server 2022. Next. We're going to rename this one as the DC01. So DC01 lab 1.0. So I've got a partition in my computer called V. Under V, lab 1.0 is a folder. We're going to keep all the machines there. So next, next, next. Memory, RAM. So going to be 2 GB. Leave it. And this one, I'm going to create host only networking. So I'm going to tick on this one, host only networking. We'll go next, next, next. And here we're going to create a new virtual disk. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to put 40 GB and then going to store virtual disk as a single machine. Single file, sorry. Okay. So this is the file. So go next and customize hardware. 2 GB RAM processors. I'm going to tick on this one, virtualize Intel VTX. And ISO image, browse. So server evaluation, the one we're going to select. And then network adapter. So it's going to be this one. So it's going to be 10.10.10.24 range. First virtual machine going to be okay. So close, finish, and then I'm going to start the machine power on the virtual machine. Okay, it's starting. Ready? Time to time, probably I'm going to post the video for when it's installing. So let's see, it's going to start now. Okay, leave it as default. Go next. Install now. Okay, so here we're going to select a standard evaluation desktop experience. Next. Accept. Next. So I'm going to be 4 GB. So get it started. So it's just copying. I'm going to just pause that video and switch on later. Okay, it's nearly done. 97%. Okay. Getting restarted. Okay, I'm going to put a password for the administrator. Okay, go finish. All right, it's ready. Going to log in. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to install VMware tools to get all drivers and other stuff set it up. So go here, sorry, VM, install VMware tools. So it will mount in the D drive. So go to D drive, just restarting still. Okay, go to D drive. Okay, D drive, set up. Click this one for next. Next, install. So manager don't show message again, and I'm going to do a little bit clean up here. So server manager properties, do not start server manager. We're nearly there. While this one is installing, let's do a little bit of housekeeping. I'm going to change the name of the virtual machine here. Rename this PC to DC01. Okay. Next. We start later. One more thing I had to do. This one is installed, so finish. Say no. I'm just going to change the IP address for this one. So close this one. Network and sharing center, Ethernet. And I'm going to change the IP address for 10 dot, sorry, okay, 10 dot, 10 dot, 10 dot, 200, 255, 255, 2550, and gateway going to be firewalls LAN adapter. So that will be 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot 254. So I'm going to leave the DNS settings as it is. So press OK, press OK, close. I just forgot to do one more thing. Just have to disable Windows Update. We don't need Windows Update for the moment. So here, pause, 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 pause. Going to be pause a little while. So going to restart the server now. Once it's come back, we're going to convert this one into a first domain controller for hexagon.local. Coming back. Okay, it's ready. Go to login in. Okay. Let's have a quick look few things. Go to our system, about. Make sure that got the right device name. So DC01. I just made a mistake. Need to be DC01. Sorry. I have to do one more time. Restart now. Continue. We checked it. Okay, it's ready. So login in. Go down to icons, go to system. So DC01, that's good. Okay, that's very good. So let's check one more thing quickly. IP address. Then we're going to start converting to a domain controller. So details. So that's right. Ready. Okay, close. Close, close. We're going to start server manager. Just getting ready. See that? That line goes. Okay. Seems it's ready. So add roles and features. Here it is. Go next. Next. So it's right. DC01 10.10.10.200. So let's go next. We're going to get Active Directory domain services and feature. Going to add DHCP and feature and DNS server. So this server will be giving and distributing IP addresses for clients connecting to this one. So that's why I put the DHCP server tick. Go next, 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 next. Tick restart the destination server automatically if required. Yes. Get installed. So probably going to pause a video time to time. Okay, configuration required, but installation succeeded. So we can close this one. You can see under this flag, there's a notification. Once you click on notification, you can see this one's finished, configuration required. So the second one is saying promote this server to a domain controller. So I'm going to click that one. All right, so this is going to be the first domain controller for new for us, hexagon.local. So add new hexagon, hexagon.local, right? Okay, for domain name, so hexagon.local. Next, and it will ask directory services restore mod password. Okay, I'm going to put the password. See, this is going to be domain name server and global catalog. Functional level is 2016. I'll leave it as it is. We'll go next. Thanks again. Next. So this folder is going to be the database folder, log files, and sysql folder for domain controller. So I'll leave it as it is. So this is a summary of what we have selected. We'll go next. Okay, so going to click on install. So it's getting installed. All right, so it's signing out. Just going to restart it. It's back now. I'm going to log in into a domain controller now. So hexagon.administrator. So I'm going to put the password. Okay. So let's just going to yeah, just have to restart one more time to get it back. Uh, let's go into server manager and have a quick look. So here you got a application again. So complete the DHCP configuration. So click on that. Next, specify credentials authorized DHCP to use this one. Commit, close. So it's deployment applying it. Just check quick IP address details here. So it should be right. Click here and have a look so you can see this become a DNS server now. So it's all right. So go to so I'm getting set up. Go to control panel, system, some advanced system settings. So if you can have a look, see one. This one is a part of domain controller now, so it's in the domain hexagon.local. So I think for today, this is uh, what it is, and we're going to see you in the next video. Thank you.